turn, let's start with the story of tea. Tea is the fresh aromatic brew with which people like to begin their day. It has a refreshing, astringent flavor. It is actually made by brewing. That is by infusing in boiling water the leaves and shoots of a plant whose botanical name is Camellia sinensis. The leaves are at first dried, cured, and processed before they are packed and sold to us. Camellia sinensis is an evergreen plant that grows in tropical and subtropical climates. Tea plants require at least 100 to 125 centimeters of rainfall a year and prefer acidic soils. Many of the world's best tea estates are located on hill slopes at elevations of up to 1,500 meters. It is said that the tea plants grow slowly and acquire a richer flavor at this height. When the plants grows properly, only the top 1 to 2 inches of the plant are picked. These buds and leaves are called flushes. A new flush appears on the plant every 7 to 10 days during the peak growing season. Actually, the tree plant can grow into small tree, but to enable easy picking, it is allowed to grow to a height of about 3 feet, that is waist high. The teas we buy are usually classified according to their leaf size. For example, we have Assam type of tea, characterized by the largest leaves. China type, characterized by the smallest leaves. And Cambodge type, characterized by leaves of intermediate size. We have 3 very distinct and different tea growing regions in India. Each of these regions is famous for the special type of tea it produces, which are unique in taste, aroma, strength, and flavor. These 3 regions are Darjeeling in northeastern India, Assam in far northeast India, and Nilgiris in South India. Most people agree that tea is a refreshing drink. It contains no carbohydrates, fat, or proteins. Theanine and caffeine gives tea its special and distinctive flavor.